No is like quality and quantity. No is quality and yes is quantity. Yes, 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 yes. You see how full it sounds over keep saying yes? And don't get me wrong, it's okay to say yes sometimes. But don't be saying yes for someone and saying no to yourself. What I mean by that is, you come home from a long day of work, you're tired, all you want to do is sleep or just lay down. Maybe binge watch on Game of Thrones. And so 5 seconds later your friend calls, hey, we gotta hang out. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Hurry. Come on. And you're like, alright. I'll be there in a minute. But you don't want to go. You're afraid to say no just because you don't want your friend to think you're lame. Steve Jobs said, by saying no, you can concentrate on the most important things in life. No is a complete sentence by itself. It don't need no justification or explanation. All you have to do is learn the art of saying no. Don't lie, don't make excuses, and simply decline. So, what kind of person are you? Are you a quality person or are you a quantity person? For me and personally, I take quality over quantity any day. Later, guys.